Well, welcome, my viewers. Now, some students send this question to me, right? And they asked me that I should help them to solve it. Then I brought it to this big platform to explain to you all, so that you can gain from the knowledge. Now, they actually get two different answers. I know that those students they're actually watching me right now. Now, if you are the student, kudos to you. Now, the question actually is not something that is hard. Okay, sorry, I will misset a particular number here. Is the current given to them is actually 12 ampere. Yeah, it's 12 ampere. Now, they said find the what? Find the resist, find the current. Thank you. Find the current. Now they will ask that. Say find the current in what? In the two resistor, right? If you in statistics, it's not something that is hard. Okay, stay tuned. I'm going to get it. Now what I have to do here is this. Now, when you are asked to find the current in what? In 2 ohms resistor. Now, the first thing that you are going to do is this. You are going to find total resistance of what? Of this connection here. Now this is actually what now? Parallel resistance, because it's vertical. But with horizontal is what? But if it's horizontal is what? It's series. Okay. Now to find this parallel resistance, this total resistance here is this. Applied from the formula is what? 1 over R2 total equal 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over what? R3. Now, if you are very observant, this shouldn't be a new thing to you. Okay? Now, you have 1 over R2 total equals to 1 over what is our resistance? The first one is what is 2. Second one is what is 3. While the third one is what is 4. Now let's do this one. Now you find the LCM here. So we have the LCM as what? As 12, right? So we have 12. 2 in 12 is what is 6, right? 6 times 1 is what? 6. Plus 3 in 12 is what is 4. So that this one will give us what? 4 again. 4 in 12 is what is 3. 3 times 1 will give us what? 3. Are we good now? So I want to have 1 over R total equals to this will give us what? 13. Now we have 13 over what? Over 12. Now to get this out total here, I will take this one upside down. I'll take this one upside down. I'll just flip it. Okay, just make it very short. Now this one is coming up, this one is coming down, this one is coming up, this one is coming down. So we can add what the total resistance. So I'm now add total resistance equals to, so I become what? This one is coming, it will become 12 here. What's going to become what? 13. That's what the resistance. Okay, if you like, I put it what in decimal place. But that's not what we're actually going to. Leave this one first. And let's focus on what we are asked to find. Now, we are asked that to find the current in what? In 2 ohms resistor. We want to find the current that's stored in what? In these 2 ohm resistors. Now, what are we going to use now? Quickly, remember your Ohm's law, which said that what? That voltage equals to what? Current and what? And resistance. Right? Now, we are not giving the voltage there. But we have the current as what? 12. While we have the resistance as what? As 12 over what? Over 13. Are we there now? So I'm going to add the voltage equals to, what's the current? The current is 12 here times what resistance is what? 12 over what? Over 13. Now, let's put this stuff. I'm going to add in 12 times 12 give us 144. We have 12 times 12 give us 144 divided by what? By 13. That's our voltage, Abby. But what I actually asked to find is what? We actually asked to find the current that's stored in what? In these 2 ohms. Okay? Now, go back to your Ohm's law again. You have the Ohm's law, which is V equals to current and what? Resistance. So now, we already saw for our voltage, which is what? Voltage is what? 144 over what? Over 13. 144 over what? 13. Then equals to, what is the current? The current is what? The current is unknown now because we have to find the current in what? In 2 ohms resistance. Okay, 2 ohms resistor. Okay, so I'm going to be having the current as what? As unknown. Now, resistance is what? Now, we actually have to find current in what? In these 2 ohms. Okay? As if we have to find current in what? In 3 ohms, we are going to put 3 here. At least 4, we are going to put 4 here. But because what? It's 2 ohms current that we want to find current that what? The current that's stored in what? In 2 ohms. With this 2 that is here. I'm going to put 2 here. Right? What is what now? To remove this 2. So now this I can stand on its own. So we have 144 over 13 equals to what? 2 what? 2 current. Now remove the 2. Move the 2 out. So this cancels out what is there. So we have the current equals to, we have 144 over what? 13. Right, this one first. Then this all over change to what? Divided by what? 2. Right? Make it more what? More balanced. You put over 1 here. So I'm going to have the current equals to 144 over 13. Now when you flip this over 1, this one will come up, this 2 will come down. That means that this times, this division to times. That will be times what? 1 over what? Over 2. 2 here is 1. 2 144 give us what? That is 70 what? 72. Right? So therefore the current that flow is going to be what? 72 over what? Over 13. 72 over what? Over 13. Now let's divide. Let's see what I'm going to have there. Let's try to divide this for now. Let's see. If I divide that, let's see what we're going to have. So we have 72 divided by what? By 13. Stay tuned. 72 divided by 13. That will give us what? 5.53. So we have as current as 5.53. Approximately we have current as what? As 6 ampere. 6 ampere. So I hope you find it very interesting, right? So yeah, follow the page, follow it sharp, share the videos. Okay. So see you guys in my next class. Thank you.